Okay, so my fiance's just helped me load up the rims and tires, and tomorrow is the day I'm gonna drop off the truck today. So got everything in the back here ready to go, and some of it inside the truck, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was locked up while this truck sits in the parking lot, because people do some crazy things. But this is my life right now, so hopefully everything goes smooth. I was a little concerned, however, with a little bit of a problem that I noticed on my front tire. Oh great, now this thing doesn't want to shut. There we go. Which was this wearing trend, which I don't know if you guys can see, but some of this is a little higher than the other, and it's definitely higher than that side. And it's wearing unevenly all the way down the tire. So I immediately thought maybe a wheel bearing or a ball joint, and I talked to my mechanic, Jason, and he thinks it could be an alignment issue because this truck was a plow truck for a while. So anybody who's got any feedback with that, I've jacked up the truck. I've checked the bearing for play, and there's really nothing there. It's pretty solid. So anybody who's got any insight, there was a plow on this truck. It is a 2500. It could be a worn out suspension thing, but I just don't want to chew my new tires up like that. So tomorrow's the day. I'll take video of me dropping it off and what it looks like when I dropped it off and what it looks like when I picked it up. See you then.